Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp images not downloading problem. So basically the reason why you guys are facing this is the first reason might be because if your mobile storage is full. Because if your mobile storage is full, then you won't be able to download image from WhatsApp because there is no place to store it. And the other thing could be of slow internet connection, so make sure internet connection is stable. So if these two criteria are checked, like your internet connection is not slow and your storage is not full, then the other thing you can do is check if your WhatsApp is up to date. And for that, go to your Play Store and check right now my WhatsApp is up to date, since there is no update button over here. But if your WhatsApp is not up to date, then make WhatsApp is updated by going to Play Store or App Store. So after updating WhatsApp, problem still does not fix this, then the other thing you can do is go out of the WhatsApp and hold on the WhatsApp icon. Once these things pops up, you can click on the app info, and once you go on the app info, it's going to take you to the WhatsApp app info, and over here you can click on permissions and make sure all of your permission is turned on over here. Some of your permission like phone is turned off, then like you won't be able to download images. That might be causing you some problem. So make sure to turn all of these permission on, and after all this permission is on, if you still face this problem, then the other thing you can do is click on the internal storage, and in internal storage click on the clear data and clear all data. It's gonna restore WhatsApp. And if it still does not fixes it, the other thing you can do is restart your phone, because there could be some problem with your phone and restarting it could solve it. That's basically it. And the last is to delete WhatsApp and reinstall it again. In this way you can fix WhatsApp images not downloading problem. So this was a process by which you can fix WhatsApp images not downloading problem. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.